Yes, sir. You already know this your boy Behave. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we be touching base on AMC Entertainment. That's ticker symbol AMC. We been put y'all on with this stock way before the hype, way before everybody now trying to play catch up. I've been told y'all this was going to run in the 550 range. It was consolidating and hovering around 550 for a week or two, for a while, a good while, for had enough time for you to got in. And I had a lot of naysayers in the comments. Oh, I wouldn't put nothing on AMC unless it would go down to the $1, $2 range. Now I bet the same ones are chasing right here at 11, right where we about to start getting ready to sell in a little bit, right before this nice pullback that I'm about to show y'all. So let's stay tuned. Just check it out, y'all. Being put y'all on this. I hope y'all having a party, a ball right now, because y'all should be doubled up from right now. So let's check it out. Right here, 3 months ago, February 3rd, 897, we got this could be our new farmer support. But once we got a gap fill, once we broke through this 897, we got a gap fill all the way up to 1330. We got a in between. Right now we trading at about 11 plus after hours. We could possibly run up to 1330 quick, but so many people anticipating on it to go up, and this momentum is so bullish and so strong that the stock market don't just reward beginners and people with easy money. It would be too easy to just run up straight to the 1330 so quickly, which it could now, but I always like to be prepared. I always like to prepare for the worst, because this the stock market. 99% of the people lose. So check this out. Right before we got a gap fill to 1330, but this 897, I feel that we blew through. That could be our new farmer support. That 897 been in resistant points 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 or 5 times since the past 3 months. It been in resistant points. We had to bust through it, and now that we bust way through it from $9 to 11 plus, I feel that could be our new farmer support. This thing could possibly pull back from 1120, 1115, what it's trading at now. It could possibly pull back to the $9 range, that the high 8s into the low 9s. It could possibly pull back before retesting that 1330. And once you reach 1330, this thing could go straight back to where it was on January 27th, when it ran from 5 all the way up to 1990, all the way up to $20 in just one day. It could possibly retest that high. So let's check out the news. I already told y'all it ain't nothing new. We been knew this was going to run, so the news can't possibly tell us too much, but I just like to go over it for y'all. So why AMC Entertainment stock gained 13% today? What happened? AMC Entertainment stock gained 13% on Tuesday, still riding the momentum from an analyst at Webush Securities, doubling its price target to $5 per share yesterday. So what? So-called meme stocks like AMC don't need much to get traders enthused enough to bid up the shares higher, and the analyst seemingly bullish sentiment, despite the fact that theater operators already trading at twice the target level, doesn't appear to be hurting it. So now let's check out the analysts. Let's see what the Wall Street put a price target on this at, because I told y'all they like to hate on companies like this in public, but they be buying the hell out of them in private. So let's see. The 7 analysts offering 12-month price forecast for AMC Entertainment Holdings have a median target of $2 with a high estimate of $5.50 and a low estimate of $1. The median estimate represents a negative 82% decrease from the last price of $11.17. So they think this thing is way undervalued. They think this thing done grew 10 times for no apparent reason. Like they say, it's way undervalued. They got a price target at the low is $1 and the high is $5.50, which we was consolidating at for the past. So now let's see what their pockets doing. Institutional ownership 12.1%. Increased positions 24 million shares, decreased positions 4.9 million shares, held positions 16.7 million shares. Total institutional shares 45.7 million shares. Out of 45.7 million, they sold 4.9 million. So they holding a whole lot of shares. Their pockets obviously doing something different from what they bounced in. New positions 12.3 million shares. Sold out positions 2.7 million shares. But like I always tell y'all, I'm gonna remind y'all again, just because they pockets doing different from what they mouth say, and they loaded up on this, and we know that it done ran from 550 all the way up to where it's at now, this thing is still a high risk, high reward play. I always remember that now. I was a strong buy when it was at 550, like buy. But now it's more as if you already in, consider getting out. Consider your get out point. And if you're not in, it'll be always be other plays. Only way you get in this play if it have a dramatic pullback. It's kind of already too far gone. You get what I'm saying? I don't care if it run from 11 to 20 from right here. Far as new investors, if you too late to the party, it's a million other tickers. I mean, you can get in if you want to, and that'll be your high risk, high reward play. So, but when it was at 550, it was a low risk, high reward play. I hope that made sense for y'all. I always try to put y'all in the best plays at the best time. So get in on this one at these prices at your own risk, which it still could run even more from him. Even more from here, it could retest at 20 and double up from there, just like GME. Because these is hype and they a lot of momentum coming from these Reddit and Wall Street bets. So you already know how it is. So that's all I got for y'all this video. Just want to give y'all a quick update on AMC. If you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, these type of hot shot stocks, all that good stuff, consider joining the family. You already know. It's your boy B Hayes and we out, y'all. God bless.